Okay, here is a very brief review of how to do the math homework. We're trying to make a zero number, but we're going in the opposite direction this time. Before we were adding, now we are subtracting. So let's look at number 3, 47 minus 26. We need to break that down. So if we go down, what's the nearest zero number if we go down from 26? And you can pause it if you need more time. You may have already figured out that 20 is the closest zero number. So if we break up that 26, and this is where you can use your unit blocks if you need to. If we put 20 on the left side, what are we going to put on the other side? Good. Okay. So we've got a 20 and a 6. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring that 20 down and we're going to subtract 47 minus 20. Now this is really easy to do if you've got unit blocks. If you can do it in your head, like some of you have been doing, then you should be able to do 4 minus 2 in the tens. So if you need to pause, go ahead. But 47 minus 20 is 27. Okay, very good. Now we've got another step. We're going to bring that 27 down and we're going to subtract what? We're going to subtract the 6 because that's waiting up at the top. Hey, what are you going to do with me? And now we're going to do 27 minus 6. If you can do it in your head, great. If you use your unit blocks, you'll get the safer answer. And when you figure it out, you'll know that the answer is 21. So our original problem, 47 minus 26 equals 21 also. I know it's a lot of steps, but until we can learn all of our facts, this is how we're going to do it. Let's go to number 4. 77 minus 43. That's not an easy problem to do in our head. So what do we have to do first? Okay, we're going to break down the 43 and go down to the nearest zero number. What is it? Okay, I think I heard everybody say 40. And what's going to go on that other blank? 43. Okay, so the 3 is going to go on the other side. 40 plus 3 equals 43. Okay, now we're going to drop down to the next line. We're going to do some subtraction. 77 minus something. And you can look at the pattern on the left, number 3, if you want. What are we going to put on that blank? Good. We're going to put the 40 on there. So 77 minus 40, and you can pause and set up your unit blocks. Or if you can do it in your head, great. 77 minus 40 is 37. Okay. And now that 37 is going to come down. And what's been hanging out at the top waiting for some help? Waiting to do something? The 3. Okay, very good. So let's bring that down. 37 minus 3. You can figure that out any way you like. What answer does it give you? Pause if you need to. And here it is. 34. So 77 minus 43 equals 34. Okay, there you go. That's it. A very short one today. Hopefully this will help you complete the rest of the problems. And I hope you all had a great weekend. See you later. Bye bye. The end.